Hi, so this is me talking. This will be my audio from now on. So this is the day I'm gonna make a character. But I haven't been drawing for days, so there is a flipping art block. So now I need to refer some Pinterest to get some character ideas. This was a doorbell sound effect. So I had ordered some canvas, but I didn't know the dimensions, so this is what I got. So let's measure this paper, glued on cardboard on which I'm gonna draw.
I've been so invisible, PM on the top, I guess PM.
Basic sketch should be done first.
So invisible, y'all don't really see me no more. Y'all don't even hit my phone. Starting to think that you just want my throne. Turn it into PM into PM.
Sketch done.
Nobody need him, no.
Adding some delicious details, but I didn't add much now, because I'm stupid. Time to transfer this art onto the canvas. I'm gonna do the graphite technique I learned from docs. For that we need a pen and a pencil, and then we need to scratch this shit out of the paper.
Nobody came to my party drinking alone till my vision.
Marking the freaking dimension. I don't know what I was thinking at that time. Probably I might be thinking of how Earth was made, but at some point I became so stupid that I started using the pen to scratch the paper. Stupid pen. This is so hecking tiring.
You just gotta wait, cause I found myself and I found my place. Now I found myself and I found my place.
After a whole day, it's done. Now time to transfer it to canvas.
I'ma go with the flow, I'ma go with the waves. Are you really down to ride for me, baby? Would you touch the sky for me, baby? We can make this work, you just gotta wait, cause I found myself and I found my place. Shorty, yeah.
It is almost done.
Yeah, low for me, shorty right beside of me. Every time I go to sleep, shorty wanna ride with me, but I want older. I gotta be on the move, I don't focus shoulder. If you give me some time, we can get closer. If you give me some time, I may get closure. You might think that I'm cold, but I swear I'm colder. I can't have no girl leaning on my shoulders. I got trouble now when I go to sleep. Girl, you got me feeling like I'm overseas sick. My heart's broken to so many pieces. I got no words.
Hope this works or I'll cry.
My heart, this is what's best. But if I follow my heart, then what's next?
Time for the favorite part, coloring.
I'm a heartbreaker, run around in a ray.
But first planning, I used to refer Pinterest for color combos.
On my safety.
These are the color combinations. As I don't have alcohol markers, I'm gonna use acrylic colors.
Don't go tell the next nigga that those is bruises on your thighs, cause they hickeys and deep down I know you miss me, rolling sticky while I'm riding through the city, but don't take me cause I'm really feeling empty, and I ain't afraid to catch your body, nigga, I got plenty, I be inside of you, don't nobody get you wetter, and if you had to choose, don't nobody love you better, I don't got shit to lose, so bitch know that I'm a shooting on my niggas too.
Blending the freaking colors.
Yeah, I'll ride for you, but it's
Giving some good shadows.
for you, but it's gonna die for me, little baby. Don't get me attitude, I don't got time for games, little baby. All this trauma in my head, I'm going crazy, My bitch said she love me, but I'm a heartbreaker. Run around in a ray.
Giving a second layer.
Mama said, don't worry, boy, you a star player. My bitch to protect you, please don't get too far.
I don't know how to make a skin color, so taking the help of Google will be good, I guess. But searching it took too much time, and I had to do a big research on it, but I finally made it. This is what I got. I am the successful person. Now back to blending boy. Trying if the color would work, or it will look like shit. It's coming out pretty good, hope it looks good at the end too, I'm crossing my finger for good luck. Half side is almost done.
And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for
Giving the circle some smiles because that's what I like.
more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself.
searched the color combinations for the shoes. So after 10 hours, I found this. Let's put it on the shoes.
First rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down, enjoy the ride.
I was too fast, so I finished it.
It's like a laying low, hitting heavy.
Now it's time for skateboard.
Take your time, let me know when you're ready.
Holy moly, this is also done. You can't see a ship due to white color, so I'm gonna do jump cuts. As I have been fast as fuck boy, I have drained my energy, so I'm gonna eat some weird chocolate. Flipping hell, it recharged me. I felt empty in the background, so we gonna send it. First, I need a crisp photo. Second, I'm gonna try digitally. Third, I need to select the background style.
It won't be over till the fat lady sings. I owe you a trip, cause me and you, we got a thing.
I finally got it.
Hair curly like a string, just a big ol' smile, that's about all you gotta bring. So,
this should look pretty good.
It's funny how you call me when it's over. Come running back to me when you are so
Half side looking fresh as F.
I don't like the way it keeps falling down. I lie and try to save my reputation, and all extended talk was never needed.
Time to break the background into pieces.
I don't wanna be alone, but you mess with my head. And I hold on. I hold on, yeah. I hold on, yeah. I hold on.
My signature is important, so other can't steal it from my house.
So all I ever
Yes sir, it is done.
I don't like the way things were left unsaid. And here I was just thinking we got closer. I know we should have ended in October. And I feel miserable, so it's like you never left. And I hold